the release of DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call for our industries that we need to be laser-focused.
China's latest AI breakthrough has
DeepSeek. Yo, bro, have you made a video about DeepSeek yet?
DeepSeek, is that a new crypto scam or what?
Bro, no. It's an AI writing tool, and people are hyped about it.
So, I don't just jump on trends without practical proof.
Fair enough. But have you tried it for writing YouTube scripts?
Yep, tested it.
What about for YouTube SEO?
Did that too. Next question, please.
Okay, but have you compared it to ChatGPT?
Nope. Also, why are you questioning me like an AI detective?
Because I'm on a mission to find the best AI for YouTubers.
Oh, wait a minute. Comparing ChatGPT with DeepSeek's results could actually be a solid video idea.
Exactly my point.
Wow. Thanks, bro. Let's test this out and see who is the real king. First of all, if you haven't heard about DeepSeek, it's a tool that is rubbing shoulders with ChatGPT, and some even claim it's better than ChatGPT. But you know what? In this video, we are going to find out, and not just that. I'm going to show you how to use this tool to automate 60% of your video production and increase your chances of getting more views on your videos. Are you ready?
Yes! 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 Yes!
Okay, let's start with this. DeepSeek R1 is shaking up the AI world. This open source model was developed in China for less than $6 million, a fraction of what giants like OpenAI and Google spend. And get this, you can run it locally on your computer, and it's completely free. Within days of its release, it became one of the most downloaded apps on the App Store, even surpassing ChatGPT.
But is it really as groundbreaking as it sounds? I mean, how does it help me make quality YouTube videos compared to ChatGPT?
That's a very useful question. Okay, let's find out. We're going to run 3 tests, ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Let's say this is ChatGPT, and this other guy is DeepSeek. I want to start with ChatGPT. I will submit this prompt. Rate the clickability of this video title. Give your feedback or suggestions. I will type in the video title, which is How to Build a Brand as a Faceless YouTuber. I will submit the prompt. Let's see what ChatGPT brings us.
The title, How to Build a Brand as a Faceless YouTuber, is fairly clickable, but there's room for improvement. Here's my analysis. Strengths. Clarity. It directly addresses a niche topic that many creators are interested in. Relevance. The idea of being a faceless YouTuber is trending as many people want to build brands without showing their faces. Suggestions to increase clickability. 1. Add intrigue. Pique curiosity by hinting at a specific benefit or strategy. Example, how to build a powerful brand as a faceless YouTuber without showing your face. Faceless YouTubers, how to build a brand that stands out. 2. Include numbers or secrets. Titles with numbers often perform better. 5 secrets to build a brand as a faceless YouTuber. Faceless YouTuber success. 3 brand building tips that actually work.
Great. Personally, I will choose the word powerful. The last one also sounds good, because the phrase 5 secrets creates a strong sense of curiosity. Okay, now let's try this with our new friend, DeepSeek. I'm going to copy the prompt and paste it here. First, I will turn on the R1 model and paste the prompt. Hey, there is something interesting going on here. One of the features of DeepSeek that seems to attract attention is its thinking process, where you get to see its step-by-step thinking that produces the result. Let's switch to a light theme. Here is the actual result.
Rating the clickability, 7/10. The title How to Build a Brand as a Faceless YouTuber is clear, specific, and targets a niche audience effectively. However, it could be more compelling with subtle tweaks to boost curiosity and urgency. Feedback and suggestions. 1. Add a number or actionable hook. Example, 7 proven steps to build a brand as a faceless YouTuber. 2. Emphasize benefits or outcomes. Example, how to dominate YouTube anonymously, branding secrets for faceless creators. 3. Clarify the unique angle. Example, build a thriving YouTube brand without ever showing your face. 4. Include a subtitle for context. Example, how to build a brand as a faceless YouTuber, step-by-step guide. 5. Use power words for urgency. Example, the secret to growing a faceless YouTube brand in 2024. Final thoughts. The original title works well, but could stand out more with subtle enhancements. Prioritize clarity while injecting curiosity or specificity, e.g., numbers, outcomes.
For ChatGPT, I have 2 video titles that really stand out. This one and this other one down here. For DeepSeek, I have 4 striking titles. I'm going to leave them in the comments section so you share which of them look inviting to you. Now let's get into another big test, scripting. Although ChatGPT can help with scripting a video, personally, I don't rely on it, so I always want to script my videos myself. But now that DeepSeek is here, let's test its video scripting capacity if it's better than ChatGPT. First, let's see the output from ChatGPT. I'm going to submit the same video title and ask it to act as a YouTube video script writing expert and write a compelling 10 minutes video script on the title. I will submit the title and let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. Let's listen to only the intro and hook.
Want to build a powerful YouTube brand without ever showing your face? If so, you're in the right place. Some of the biggest YouTube channels today are faceless, yet they generate millions in revenue and influence. But how do they do it? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a strong personal brand as a faceless YouTuber and stand out in any niche.
Not bad. Let's try the same thing with DeepSeek. I'm just going to copy the prompt and paste in DeepSeek and give it some time to think. Okay, here is the actual result.
Want to grow on YouTube but don't want to show your face? You're not alone. Thousands of creators are building massive audiences anonymously. But here's the problem. If you're not using your face, how do you stand out? How do you make people remember you? In this video, I'm breaking down the exact strategy to build a personal brand as a faceless YouTuber, so you can grow faster, monetize smarter, and own your niche, all while staying anonymous. Let's dive in.
All right. Great. I've gone through the entire script written by ChatGPT and DeepSeek. I'm going to show you a surprising thing that I have observed from both tools and how you can use them to write a highly engaging video script. Now let's get to the last test, which is a thumbnail review and rating. First, I will inform ChatGPT about the thumbnail. This is the thumbnail for the above video. Review it, rate, and give feedback. I will then upload the thumbnail to ChatGPT and submit. Look at what we have here. The thumbnail is rated 8.5 over 10. Why? Because it's clear, bold, and easy to read even on smaller screens. Secondly, the visuals are relatable considering the target audience for the video. And finally, the remaining element effectively communicates the reward for branding on YouTube. ChatGPT also provides room for improvement, which is cool. Now let's do the same thing with DeepSeek. I will copy this prompt and submit it to DeepSeek. Upload the thumbnail and give it a little time to process. What I noticed doing this with DeepSeek is that it was able to recognize text elements, but unfortunately, it couldn't recognize other graphic elements in the thumbnail. It even says that I'm using a plain background. I don't know about other areas, but as a creator on YouTube, here is my arguable comparison between ChatGPT and DeepSeek, which I'm sure will help you make good decisions when considering creating content with any of them. Number 1, speed. From my experience, ChatGPT is faster than DeepSeek in delivering results. Number 2, detail level of output. DeepSeek performs really well in offering a detailed breakdown of result or output. Number 3, DeepSeek R1 lacks the capacity to recognize graphic elements except text. But on the other hand, ChatGPT is very powerful in recognizing graphics and design elements. I will say that for now, both tools have their unique strengths and weaknesses. So, is DeepSeek R1 worth your attention? Absolutely. It's a game changer for anyone looking for a free, open-source AI model with advanced reasoning skills. While it's not perfect, its low development cost and innovative training method make it a standout in the AI space. By the way, if you are a YouTuber gearing up for a new channel launch or just looking to refresh your strategy, I have got something special for you. My free pre-YouTube launch checklist for YouTubers. It is packed with everything you need to get clarity on growing a successful business-focused YouTube channel. Check the link in the description to get it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content ideas. Thank you for your time.